Hi there, welcome back. Joe Gomez here. Very excited, very honored to be here with you. Alive, it's a blessing, right? To be alive is a true blessing. Very fortunate. But I want to share this quick video I put together on you guys. I'm here with my daughter, Jacqueline Gomez. Say hi, Mama. Very blessing to be here with you, have her here with me as well. But guys, I put this quick video together on sharing this valuable number one thing that I truly believe you need to be 2,000% clear on before you go out there and try to achieve anything, regardless if you're trying to grow a business, lose weight, try to promote a product, affiliate company, right? Whatever you choose, MLM, doesn't matter what you're trying to promote, right? Make dogs jump higher on one foot, right? Does not matter. You need to be clear on one thing. And I truly believe that that one thing will open up the floodgates for you. Guarantee you. For me, see, a little bit over 5 years ago, quick story, I would never imagine that this was possible for me, right? Given the set of circumstances. But the number one thing I was really clear on was I was broke. I was sick and tired of being sick and tired, right? And I made it so clear that one day that I never wanted to live like this ever again. And I had my children. My other daughter, Jocelyn, she's not here. She's out there having fun, right? Jacqueline's here with me. But see, the number one thing is having a clear, and it's worth writing this down, have a clear and definite purpose on what's going to make it possible for you to stick it through during those defining moments, during those roadblocks, those set of circumstances that seem so challenging, right? What's going to make it worth it for you to stick it through? For me, it was my children, my daughter. I want to give them a lifestyle second to none, provide for them, educate them, give them valuable information, right? Not keep them ignorant, right? No, educate them, empower them to become better. I come from immigrant parents. My mother and father came from another country here to give me another opportunity in life. Very fortunate to be here, to be able to take this and run with it. A little bit of 5 years ago, I would never imagine living this type of lifestyle. Being here at home, having my wife, my kids, take them to school, pick them up, go around, take a walk around the block, go to the park, beach, travel the world. I never would have imagined that this was possible for me. But what made it possible was that I was clear on one thing, had a clear and definite purpose, that what was going to make it possible for me to stick it through when things just seemed so slim, but the chances were all stacked against me, right? And it was just here having a clear and definite purpose. My children. I didn't want to leave them down. I can't fail them. Cannot. I'll never fail them. And I have to go out there and make it happen, right? So I truly believe, once again, guys, that having a clear and definite purpose was going to make it worth it for you to get up one more time, go out there, get defeated, right? People telling you no over and over again, right? What's going to make it worth it for you to go out there, rub that off, and be relentless to make it happen? Have a clear and definite purpose, guys. Well, with that being said, hopefully you have a day full of love, joy, and abundance, right? Because you deserve it. Go out there and make it happen. Crush the competition. I truly believe that you have what it takes to make anything happen. That dream so far-fetched that it might appear to your family, friends, neighbors, relatives, aunts, uncles, I'm here to tell you it's possible. I believe in you. Have a clear and definite purpose and live life the way it was designed to be. Well, with that being said, Joe Gomez here. Hopefully you have an amazing day. Jacqueline Gomez saying bye. All right, guys. Peace out. Have an amazing day.